Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you the exact steps to use the visual Kanban board in the free Agile CRM plan. First, log into your account. Click on Deals in the left menu. To switch to Kanban, look near the top for View buttons. Click the button that looks like columns or says Kanban. Your screen will change to a Kanban board. You'll see columns for each pipeline stage. Each deal is a card inside a column. To create a new deal on the board, look at the top of the first column. Click the plus sign. A small form will pop up. Type the deal name and amount, then click Save. The new card appears in that column. Now, to move a deal, click and hold on any deal card. Drag it from its current column and drop it into a different stage column. This updates the deal's status instantly. You can also edit a deal from the card. Click on the three dots on the deal card. A small menu pops up. Click Edit, make your change, and click Save. And that's it. You've switched to Kanban view, created a deal, moved it, and edited it on the visual board. If this made managing deals easier, please like and subscribe. See you next time.